Princess House offers amazing rewards in period 3. Contact your organizer via video chat to unpack the products in your starter kit and start creating a plan so you can earn the following rewards. In period 3 only, new consultants that join Princess House with personal sales totaling $750 in their first active period receive this locked fresh 6-piece round storage set valued at $89.95. And in period 3, new consultants that sign up a friend in their first 2 periods to join Princess House and their friend generates $750 in their first active period receive this Princess House electric kettle valued at $239.95. Additionally, and only in period 3, new consultants that generate an additional $750 for a total of $1,500 in personal sales in their first active period receive this Viva Sana high-powered blender valued at $639.95. So contact the person who sent you this video and start earning now.